Hello everyone, welcome to Easy. Today we're gonna make my favorite focaccia bread. If you are new to bread baking, this recipe is perfect to begin with. You will need some warm water, sugar, dissolve it and add some yeast. Sugar will act as food for the yeast. Mix everything and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to get activated. After 5 minutes, the mixture has become frothy, so our yeast has activated. Now I will add some olive oil to it. You can find the full recipe on our website as well as in the description box below. Now you need some all-purpose flour or bread flour, some salt. Now start mixing with the spoon. This is the easiest way to knead the bread flour. First combine it with the spoon so that it's easy to handle. When it comes together, start kneading it with your hands. This kneading part is really important. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. It will help in develop the gluten in the flour and the strength in the dough, so that when we proof our dough, it can hold the air well. When you continue kneading it, it will become stretchy and will become less sticky. Now add some olive oil and knead it again. As you can see here, when I'm pushing it down, it kind of has some resistance in it. So you know our dough is ready. Cover it and leave it to proof around 30 to 40 minutes or up to an hour. So our dough has risen well. Now we'll grease any baking tray. Don't forget the sides as it will rise. Now spread the dough in the dish and poke it with your fingers till the bottom and cover with the damp cloth to proof it for 30 to 40 minutes. So our dough has risen well. You can see the air bubbles. Now my favorite part is to decorate it with some toppings. You can use whatever you like, or you can simply sprinkle some salt and rosemary. But today I am making it in a spring theme, so I am using some spring onions and flowers made of bell peppers, some peas, olives, onion and parsley. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. It has got the goldenish crust. As soon as it comes out of the oven, brush it with some olive oil. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to cool down a little bit. Then unmold it and slice it. And you can enjoy your freshly baked bread. Look how soft and fluffy it is. It has got beautiful golden crust. I hope you like the recipe. If you like our videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you later.